How to use SmartSIM review. Properly begin your mistakes that cost you. SmartSIM provides global mobile connectivity, but beginners often make mistakes that lead to poor service or unnecessary costs. Here's my honest review and tips for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They don't check coverage. The surprising truth is that not all countries have full connectivity, and rates vary. Always confirm coverage before traveling. Another common mistake is ignoring data limits. SmartSIM plans have caps, and exceeding them can result in high charges. Monitoring usage prevents unexpected bills. Many users also fail to activate SIMs properly. Activation can require online registration or app settings. Missing steps can prevent service from working abroad. Finally, beginners often overlook local alternatives. Sometimes local SIMs provide better rates or coverage. Comparing options ensures the most cost-effective solution. In conclusion, using SmartSIM properly means checking coverage, monitoring data limits, activating correctly and considering local options. Avoiding these mistakes guarantees reliable and affordable mobile connectivity while traveling.